Namaste, food lovers. Today, we're exploring one of North India's most iconic dishes, Chole Bhature. A soulful combination of spicy kabuli chana and fluffy fried bhature that unites generations and flavors. Chole Bhature isn't just food, it's an emotion. Born in the Punjab region, this dish was once reserved for Sunday breakfasts and special occasions. Over time, it became the heart of North Indian street food, rich, spicy, and oh so satisfying. Delhi made it a bit sweeter, Amritsar made it fiery, but everywhere, it's pure indulgence. To make bhature that puff up like balloons, you'll need these simple yet magical ingredients. Maida, all-purpose flour, gives that soft, elastic texture. Suji, semolina, adds crispness and prevents sogginess. Baking soda, helps the dough rise beautifully. Sugar, feeds the natural yeast from yogurt. Ghee, adds richness and flavor. Curd, yogurt, brings acidity and fermentation. Water, to bring it all together into a smooth, soft dough. Oil, to fry the bhature. All dry ingredients together. Rub in ghee until the mix feels crumbly. Add yogurt slowly and knead for 8 to 10 minutes. Let it rest, first for 2 hours at room temperature, then overnight in the fridge for the perfect tang. When ready, roll into discs and fry in hot oil at 180 to 190 degrees Celsius, watch them puff like little golden clouds. Now, let's move to the flavorful soul of this dish, the chole. Kabuli chana, white chickpeas, the hero ingredient. Dried amla, gives the dark color and tang. Tea leaves, deepen the color when boiled with chana. Onions and tomatoes, the aromatic base. Chole masala, a mix of spices like cumin, coriander, and pomegranate seeds. Potatoes, add body and thickness. Kasuri methi, for that finishing aroma. Soak the chickpeas overnight with a pinch of baking soda. Boil them with amla and tea leaves until tender. In a pan, sauté onion paste till it turns golden and fragrant, then add tomato puree and let it cook till the oil separates. Add the boiled chickpeas, chole masala, and simmer till thick and flavorful. Finish with kasuri methi, the aroma will fill your kitchen with Punjab's warmth. Ever wondered why chole and bhature go so well together? Chickpeas bring protein and fiber. Bhature gives quick energy through carbs. The slight fat content adds satiety, while the spices aid digestion and balance the richness. That's the beauty of Indian culinary science, every bite has purpose and harmony. Growing up in Delhi during the 70s was a treat for a foodie like me. Our house stood near a wedding park, and every time I smelled the aroma of chole, bhature, and halwa, I couldn't resist walking in. One day, I asked the halwai, "How do you turn white chana so dark and flavorful?" He smiled and said, "Dried amla, tea leaves, and a little patience." That day, I learned something beautiful. Wisdom doesn't always come from classrooms, sometimes, it comes from a wedding kitchen. Thank you for joining me on this flavorful journey. I hope this recipe inspires you to try making authentic chole bhature in your own kitchen. For complete detail of this post, please visit the link given on the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Variety is the Spice of Life, where food meets memories, culture, and science. Until next time, keep cooking, keep learning, and keep adding a pinch of love to everything you make.